Hey YouTube, sup? Okay, here's Flash. Flash going to eat a live mouse. Let's do this. Okay, the mouse is looking at his new surroundings. Then here's Flash. He knows what's going on. Trust me, he does. See, look, he's moving his head. He knows that the mouse is in here. Then here's the mouse again. He's just like, what in the world? Like, what the heck is going on? Girl, please. I hear something. My ears are tingling, girl. And Flash is just like, okay, I got this. Flash is like, I got this, Jaden. It's good. And here's the mouse again. Just seeing what's around it. Maybe next time Flash shares something, then more acrobatic mouse videos. If next time I have to feed him, he sheds. If he's going to. Let me try to get the mouse closer to him. Okay, apparently this mouse won't let me. Oh! The mouse fights. The Flash suffocates it. The mouse trying to get out. Taking its last breath. Think it took it. I think the mouse took its last breath. Yeah, it did. It's dead. Definitely dead. Okay, as Flash releases his grip. Flash releases his grip. He will now start eating the mouse. He's eating it. Head first. He loves doing head first. He drags the mouse's head. Eats it. This is some crazy stuff. You probably hear icy sparking in the background. Oh, he's seeking it out. Eating it more. Eating it. It might take him a bit. So I might just end it here. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it. You know what's happening. You know what's happening. Like, look at, hold up. This is my mouth.
Don't take a picture while I'm doing that. Start again. That's that.
Well, it's a video. So, you still look nice.
No, I was biting the paper. Take it off.
Oh, okay.
Another new one.
No, I'll just cut that out.
Oh, you can add it?
Yeah.
This is Listerine.
Like, and subscribe and leave a comment.